Hello everyone, this is Deepak Khatri from Upside Down Labs, and in today's video we are going to see some new cool stuff that we have launched. That includes some cables, brand new electrodes, fully hydrogel with liquid gel, and there is a new BioSignal recorder which you can directly connect to your Arduino Uno R3 or R4 to record your biopotential signals as well as visualize as per your requirement. Currently, I have uploaded a sketch to my Arduino Uno R4 and it is directly connected to my PC via USB Type C to Type A. So the BioSignal Recorder application directly works on your browser. You can just go to docs.upsidedownlabs.tech/biosignal-recorder-web. Link for the same will be provided in the description box below. You click on connect, select the COM port and hit connect. Now the device is connected and the application shows the disconnect button in green. That means the device is connected now and the window shows channel 1. When I hit start, you can see the signal coming on BioSignal Recorder application, but there is no BioAmp hardware connected to the Arduino Uno R4. Let's quickly connect our BioAmp PX chip to the hardware and we'll do some biophysiological recording using our new electrodes. So I will connect the red jumper to VCC, black to ground and yellow to signal. Then I will connect VCC to 5 volt, which is the minimum required voltage for BioAmp EX chip. Then I will connect black to ground and our yellow pin to A0. That means output of BioAmp EX chip is now connected to A0 pin and we can see some fluctuations under channel 1. Right now the BioAmp EX chip is connected to our BioSignal recorder and we can see some signal when I touch the input pins of BioAmp EX chip. Now we will connect our body to the BioAmp EX chip. We are going to use these electrodes. This gel electrode has the entire surface area of hydrogel. So entire surface is sticky and acts like as an electrode. So the entire surface provides you a very good contact with your skin. That means you are going to record very good biophysiological signals using these electrodes. The other type of gel electrode that we have released includes a centerpiece of conductive foam and a liquid gel. That means it usually doesn't require any skin preparation, and if your skin is very dry, it provides hydration as well. So these are very good for dry skin. You can find the buy link in the description box below. You can check that out. So I'll take out one electrode and connect it to my forearm. Another near to the same electrode and third one near elbow. So we have directly interfaced with the ulnar nerve and third electrode is connected to a bony part. So these are the new alligator BioAmp cables that we have released. These cables make it very easy to interface with these type of gel electrodes. So I will connect the positive and negative cables to these electrodes and I will connect the reference to the bony part. Now we will connect the BioAmp cable to our BioAmp EX chip and we should see some signal on our recorder. And to configure the BioAmp EX chip on the fly, we have connected or chopped a male to female jumper cable and connected the bare ends to band pass filter section of our BioAmp EX chip so that we can configure it whenever we want. So when I am not moving my hand, you can see the signal is very steady, and when I flex, you can see the signals. To make it better, we can go to settings. Now I'm clicking on settings. Here we have a lot of options. We have option to control the speed, height of the window and number of channels. Right now we are only using channel 1, so we don't have to change anything under channels. I'm increasing the height to make it more visible to you guys, and I'm increasing the speed a bit. Save changes. Now you can see the window size is increased and we can clearly see the EMG signal. This is unfiltered EMG signal. That's why you see a lot of low frequency noise or low frequency signals within the EMG signal from the wire as well as from hand. After applying digital filter, this EMG signal will look awesome. So right now This is the EMG signal. To try out our new alligator BioAmp cables and these new gel electrodes, check out our new products on store.upsidedownlabs.tech. Link for all the products is provided in the description box below. Do check it out. See you in the next video. Peace.